Hey there, and thank you for joining me on the Retro Game Couch. And in today's video we're going to take a closer look at the CubeODE, which is a drop-in replacement for the DVD drive in your GameCube. And with this you can play any game from any region, and you can even play homebrew. And all that from an SD card. So this replaces the physical media for solid state media. And in this video we're going to check it out. So let's go. First order of business is removing that DVD drive and replacing it with the CubeODE. We start by removing the 4 screws from the bottom. We can then slide off the top, remove the back bracket, then remove the front panel and take note of the flat cable. Then remove the 4 small screws on top of the controller ports. Next, take out the 2 screws that hold in the fan assembly and disconnect it from the GameCube. The last step is removing all the screws around the DVD drive. If done correctly, you can now remove the DVD drive by pulling it upwards. Next, remove these small screws to separate the DVD drive from the mounting bracket. It's time to mount the CubeODE. Mount the CubeODE to the bracket using the supplied screws. Put in your SD card. Put the bracket back onto the GameCube, making sure that the connector of the CubeODE slides into the connector of the GameCube. And we're done. To prepare your SD card, download the latest version of Swiss from GitHub, extract the archive, then go to the GC loader folder and copy over boot.iso to the root of your SD card. We're not going to do a deep dive into the settings of Swiss, but one setting I do recommend you turn on is Enable Memory Card. By turning this setting on, you will not need a physical memory card and all save games will be saved on the SD card. The loading of normal GameCube games works very well and very fast. And here are some examples of homebrew like Super Methane Brothers, and Skogger. Someone is even working on Minecraft for the GameCube. That's amazing. Let's see if the Game Boy player works. Mounting the Game Boy player startup disc reveals that this totally works. In conclusion, the CubeODE is a great device to play backup games from an SD card. Its 5-minute installation and compatibility with Swiss makes it a great choice. It's also almost half the price of its competitor, the GC loader. I want to thank Senko Games for sending over this review unit. I've put a link in the description where you can buy one from them. And for now, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you next time on the Retro Game Couch.